Okay, now we're going to try that again. We fed again on the second side. Hopefully we're in a little better mood now. I'm ready to do some burping.
And I'd like to remind everyone that today Alma, Beatrice Mraz Snodgrass, is 1 month old.
1 month old today.
June 23rd, 2007.
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
And
she's been such a good girl today, hasn't she?
For the most part, she's been a good girl.
Oh, there's the big purple.
Yes, there's our little baby.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Ooh. This is Dad's favorite way to burp Alma because she looks like a turtle.
Oh, did you hear that? That was a good burp.
When Alma was little, even littler than now, when she would do this, she was so skinny and her face was just, ooh.
That was a close one.
Yeah. And her
perfect.
arms would flail around and she would look like a turtle. And now she's getting fat, so she doesn't look as much like a turtle anymore.
Oh,
good one, Dad. Here we go.
Caught it. Got it. Now, how you feeling, kid? Is that alright? Okay? We'll keep doing it a little bit more. Okay.
Yay, Alma.
Let's see if you'll do the surprise.
Good job.
Let's see if she'll do the surprise thing. Ready? Whoa! No, I think
she's
that one's
such a
off.
big girl, she
She's
doesn't
not
even do a
surprised
startle
anymore.
reflex anymore.
No.
What a big girl. Oh. Oh,
Smile.
she's smiling. Alma, do you know you're on camera? Hi, sweetie. Hi. How you doing? Yeah, you're so cute. Oh, the little burps. Little burps. Oh, now we got hiccups.
Is Daddy not doing a good job? Is that why you get hiccups?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it for the day.
All done. Good night.
Bye. Sweet.